Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me once again. We're looking at question 17 in this video on the 2005 Cayley contest. So 10 to the 100 is called a googol. It's quite a nice number. It's not particularly practical, but it's a fun little trivia that this is the name of 10 to the 100, 1 with 100 zeros after it. And 1,000 to the 100 equals, and then we've got some options here. Google to the googol, Google cubed, 3 googol, Google squared, 100 googol. So to answer this question, we need to sort of manipulate this expression, 1,000 to the 100, in terms of a googol, either factor out some googols or something. And I don't think we have a lot of room from the previous question, 16. But maybe if because I don't like wasting even virtual paper. I'm going to move the B ever so slightly. But I think we can do this question. So 1,000 to the 100. So we've got something to the 100. Well, a googol is something to 100, but it's 10 to the 100. Could I get a 10 on the base somewhere? Because even if I'm wanting to pull things out, I do need a 10 in the base. Well, 1,000 is 10 cubed. Okay. And if we remember our properties of exponentiation, we can now, because it's a to the b, all to the c, we can write it as the product. So 10 to the 300. Okay? But none of these, we don't have a googol still here. We need to somehow get a 10 to the 100 somewhere, either to factor it out or something. Notice that this makes sense. 1,000 to the 100 is 1 with 3 groups of, or 100 groups of 3 zeros, or 1 with 300 afterwards. And 10 to the 300 is also 1 with 300 zeros afterwards. So I can actually use the same trick that I just used and split this up into 10 to the 100 to the 3. But now this is a googol. It's googol to the 3. Did I spell googol right? No, I have one too many G's and one too few O's. But Google cubed, that was one of our answers. It's E. So we didn't really need a whole lot of space for this one at all. It was just manipulating the 1,000 to the 100. What did you do to it? And you might have jumped on the train of exponent logic really quickly, or you might have tried to factor out some 10 to the 100s. But eventually you're going to argue yourself down using exponent laws and multiplication laws if you need them to Google cubed. So that's E. Now I definitely won't fit 18 anywhere in here, so we're going to get a fresh piece of page for question 18, which is about Harry the Hamster, which I think I did on the Pascal, but I will nonetheless do it in the next video. Thank you guys as always for watching. If you want to, like or subscribe or all that fun stuff. But either way, I'll still be doing these contests, so I'll see you for question 18 in the next video. So long.